Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse.
GOG on Steam Deck, how to set up, and here I'm going to teach you how to set up your GOG. If you have a game on GOG, I'll teach you how to set it up. So here we're going to type in GOG. So here, first thing you need to do is first need to have an account here. As you can see right now, I'll log in my account right here. I'm fully logged in. Now we're going to find the game. So right here, you find the game. You search up a game that you want, say any game, and now we're just gonna find free games for us to download, and I'll help you set it up. Hide DLC and extras. Show any DLC for my games. Nope. There you go. Here are all the games that you can download for free right here. So here we got card Prime demo. So we can down. So we're gonna download this one right here, and then we're gonna click on buy. After here, will be located to our cart. Come by right there. So we're just gonna remove some stuff. Remove. Okay, remove some stuff right there. There you go. Now give this. Now we're gonna remove the gift. There you go. Now we're gonna get for free because it's only $0. So now we're gonna get it. Buy it. Buying it now. Let's wait for it. Now we can install it. Then click on download on GOG Galaxy or open in GOG Galaxy. If you already have GOG Galaxy, you can open it now to install your game with one click. Don't have a GOG Galaxy yet? Download it to get started. So here we don't have a GOG Galaxy yet. So now we're just gonna open up our we're just gonna open right here. As you can see right there, file wasn't available on the site. So here there's no available site. So we're just gonna click again. There you go. As you can see, it's a little bit bugging, so we're just gonna type it right there, GOG Galaxy. So we're just gonna download this one right here, GOG Galaxy. As you see right now, download GOG Galaxy. There you go. Now we're just gonna download manually. And there you go, Galaxy Web Installer. Now it's installing. Now while we wait for that, there you go, GOG. Now let's say we have installed this and you put it on your game deck. I meant your GOG Galaxy web. Now let's say how to add it. So right here, I have nope, not that one. Right here, I've downloaded other game. We'll see for the okay, we'll just wait for the first one to finish. Yeah, there you go. Now that next, and then accept agreement, and then all of that. Then program. Okay, then create a shortcut. Now we're extracting the file. While extracting the file, I'm going to teach you how to add games on your Steam while we're doing this. Now let's say you've already downloaded, finished it, as you see right there. There you go. As you can see, we need to log in. So I'm gonna log in with this one right here, but yeah, I'm just gonna blur this part out. So wait. Oh, there we go. Oh, I thought it was gonna like show my email or something like that. So yeah, there you go. Now you're here. Interested. Now once we're here, there you go. As you can see right now, we're here. Now you just need to click on install and then download on GOG Galaxy. Right there. Click the game. Open it, download it. Now it is now downloading. So once, let's say if it's already been downloaded in your GOG Galaxy, now to add it on Steam, to add it to Steam, you need to add a shortcut right there. Then after add a shortcut right there, you need to click on add a game, and then click on add a non-Steam game. So here we see all the shortcuts right here. We have access, ABUS, all of those stuff right there. If you want to add the game, for example, let's say Roblox right here, click on add selected program. Then as you can see right now, it is on our Steam Deck right here. Now to play it, just click on. Oh, there we go. Now to play it, just click on play. After clicking on play right there, it will function normally and it will play. It will play. It will play normally. So there you go, guys. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you have any more questions, you can type it down in the comment section below. And then there you go, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have more questions, type it down in the comment section below, and we'll be happy to answer you. And thank you.
If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.